Hello and welcome. I'm just doing a quick video on my pistol. I've had it a few months now. I've used it in the garden on targets, like as in paper targets and cans. It's an umarex c.p.s 4.5mm caliber, which is 177. Let's move the box out of the way. Very nice. It's CO2. Basically, it was 12-gram CO2 capsules. It comes with an 8-shot rotary mag, which is pretty good. I use BSA Elite pellets on it, which are very accurate. It's accurate up to about 5 to 10 yards. I mainly bought it to take fishing with me for rats, basically. But yeah, good weight. It's got a good safety catch, which is that there. That's off now, and that's on. It's not too loud. It's pretty simple to use, really. Yeah, it's got good rear sights on it with white paint. You can fit. It has got the grooves to fit either a laser or a little torch on it. I can't say I've shot rats with it yet, but it's good at shooting targets. So yeah. It is okay. And that is my pistol. I would recommend it. I'll give it 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10. So yeah, thank you for watching, and goodbye.